G'day guys, welcome back to another video. We're up here at Karumba in far north Queensland, up in the Gulf country, and just appreciate this beautiful sunset. Morning everybody, how are we this weekend? So we've got a phone call to do a job, and we've headed up north again, but this time we headed further north than last time, and we got a new car that we're cruising in, Mr. Pig's car, and we're going to try something a little bit different this video. We're heading back to Croydon. We're going to fish the freshwater dam, but we're going to see if any saltwater bait will work on a freshwater barramundi. So we're going to go catch some liveys and we'll just give it a good hot crack. Yep.
Happy Gilmore?
Happy Gilmore. What a cast.
I feel kicking.
Oh, right, well I can't get over the other side.
Not with that attitude. They're good mullet, man. 3 beauties.
Yeah, right. I can't get over that. He can. He's got a cast net. I have a bucket full of water. Ute. Beauty. Oh, they're great size.
Hey, we caught a fish in Karumba.
We caught a fish where we couldn't get a fish last time. Yeah.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, is he?
What the fuck is that?
Is that like a prawn or something? No?
I don't know what the that is, man.
Bring it up and we'll have a look. Here you go, look at that. What is that, guys? Let us know in the comments what that is. But this crap I won't tolerate. Pick your freaking rubbish up, you idiots. This is ridiculous. I hate picking up. We pick up rubbish every time we go out somewhere. All we wanted to do was get saltwater bait for a freshwater fish. Instead we got a saltwater barra. Hey, world record. How's that?
Look at that, eh? You beauty.
Not only did we get a barra, but we got some little mutated looking...
Angry...
What the hell is that?
I call that the spotty spine dog.
The spotty spine dog. Let us know in the comments what you guys think that is, or if you do know, show us, because we've come across a couple of different species here today and never ever seen any of them. Let's go get some barra.
We'll trade these in.
We'll trade these for a meatery.
We just caught a barra.
Not a meatery though.
No.
But we did get a barra. Well,
if you have a powerfish brag mat, it was a meter.
Touche. Hey, powerfish. You want to send Mr. Piggy or a brag mat? Many hours in the car today, we have finally made it. This is where we're going to be doing our barra fishing. Supposed to be some barra in here. If you want to see a bird's eye view where we are, I can make that happen right now.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason.
That's one positive, one livey. We've got 2 in there, that's it. The rest are dead. Alright, we'll see if this saltwater thing works, eh? Give it a good hot crack. While I have you guys here, I've got a website up. I'll leave the link down here. We've got shirts, hats, stickers, all that sort of jazz if you want to head over, and if you want some merch, I'll leave the link in the description and I'll put it right there for you Alright, we just started up not too long ago, so jump on over and show some support if you can, that'd be awesome. We have a swimming pig over here. He's found something that he wants, but I don't think he's going to get it. I think I might go in there with him and try and get it for him.
You going in?
Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Fuck. It's literally that far.
Yeah. You're in now.
Yeah, but I can't see shit.
There's something on the end of it, dude.
Yeah, it's swimming around.
You're so close. Get a barra. Get the dog.
Get the dog.
Get dog.
We got something that I can grab a hold of it with?
Like a stick.
Yeah, something like that. I'll be able to get to here and try and get over the other side and get it with the stick.
Alright, hang on. What about we put the little boat in and go and get it with that?
Actually, it's not a bad idea. That makes sense.
We can just paddle.
Yeah, that makes sense. We'll do that.
The wind's coming this way anyway.
Yeah, alright. Floats.
Bonus.
Whee! Gonna turn around and film. Talk about average adventures.
Doesn't get much more average, mate.
I reckon. You got your sounder on?
Sounder, yep.
Yep. Swing and a miss, guys. Swing and a miss. As you would have seen, there's a treble and a bottle. That must be how they catch their freshwater barra around here. Always put things back where you found it and the way you found it. That's it. And there we have it. Don't do this at home. There's crocodiles in there. That was silly. Now, time to go. The old bloody saltwater fish and the freshwater barra does not work. After a couple of high hydration sessions, we're going to pack up and we're going to go back to the pub. So we'll see you in there.
Sounds like a good time.
Open holes.
Yeah.
Sounds like a great time. V8 power. Woo. Alrighty boys, we're at Dean's Lookout. Have a go at the view. We'll try and get a couple of photos. Have a look at that. Woof. And let's get into it. Here we go, good old Croydon. This place should look familiar to you guys. Good times, good times. We're back at the old Potty Dodgers. Here we go. Hey, here he is. There we go. Done.
Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bullshit. Quit to save my peace, I'm so after school special. She brainy but them jeans looking like paint.
He did one way.
Damn well they really can't press us. I notated on leaflet.